How's it going, guys? As you saw in the title and thumbnail, we are taking a little bit of a break from YouTube. No, this isn't me quitting like Thomas, and we're not closing down. We're just kind of shifting our focus to a couple different things. So what is this gonna mean for you guys? Within the next couple of months, you're not gonna see as much video content as you're used to seeing from us. We are still going to be producing the new products videos, and I'm going to finish up the Sunday slider, and we're going to have a couple other videos here and there, but not nearly as much as we used to. Like I said, we're going to be shifting our focus to some other things. To be completely transparent with you guys, when we switched our website over to a new back end, it never really was how we wanted it, so we're going to be working on that to improve that user experience for you guys. Now, like I said, we're not gonna be leaving you completely empty-handed. We're gonna have videos here and there, but if you want some more content to follow along with, feel free to check out my personal channel where I'll be covering this car, building it into my personal track car. Have a ton of stuff planned for this car, especially coming next year. Can't wait to get it back out on the track, so I will leave that link down below. Check it out if you guys are interested. We also wanna take this opportunity to hear from you guys and see what you want to see from us once we're able to get back into things, whether it is a specific product install or a specific kind of video or a build. Let me know in the comment section down below. We're also going to be doing a giveaway, so I'm gonna randomly select one of those comments. You guys are gonna win a set of Faction Fab F-Spec coilovers. All you have to do is comment down below, like I said, with what you wanna see once we're able to get back into things. I need to reiterate the fact that the website is still gonna be up and running as usual. We're just gonna be working on the back end of things, behind the scenes, tinkering with some stuff just to get it how we want it to, like I said, smooth things out and make things as easy as possible. You guys are still gonna be able to get those parts you want and need. We're still gonna be posting on our Facebook and Instagram and sending out our emails and texts, so make sure you subscribe to those to get the latest deals, discounts, sales, giveaways. And for those of you who have recently ordered through the holiday season here, I know you guys are patiently waiting for your products. Just know that our sales team and warehouse team is working around the clock to get things taken care of as quickly as they can. Just know that during this holiday season, things may take a little bit longer. One thing you don't want to do is continuously send in emails to our sales team for order updates, because that is just going to take longer. It's going to move your ticket all the way back up to the top and just delay the process. Our sales team is not ignoring you. They're working through that inbox as quickly as possible, and they will get back to you as quickly as they can. I want to thank you guys for all the support you have shown us throughout the years. Leave those comments down below letting me know what you guys want to see. And that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.